Welcome back to the channel. This is Alex. We have the second part two. Now, if you didn't catch the first part, is up there, but this is part two of Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI is an app that has multiple access apps to multiple access AI, to all the different models, to all the different things. So, for example, if you were working just with ChatGPT, you're only working with ChatGPT and what ChatGPT can do. What if you use the chat arena and you can use ChatGPT and Claude at the same time? That's the whole point here with Galaxy AI. So we looked at those first, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 different apps within Galaxy AI. In this one, we cover about another 6 or 8. I'm trying to get to the ones that have the most value because there are obviously apps that, we cover with free apps here, like CapCut can do, text to speech and different things. But Galaxy AI, again, comes out to $15 a month if you pay for the whole year, and you have access to all the different capabilities, including creating your own characters. So in this one, you get to hear about the Joe Rogan talk stuff, the Joe Rogan impersonation, and you also get to hear about all these great things you're going to see here. So you ready? Let's go.
Wait, are you a course creator?
Hey, Elena, tell them about the deadline.
iSpring Course Creation course is here. Registration closes July 25th, and I'm freaking out.
Now tell them about the prices.
Win Amazon gift cards, free iSpring tools,
And who's going to be judging?
and get feedback from judges like Alex David Salas. I may just registered.
I don't want to put thoughts in your head, but someone that knows AI will probably have an edge on this.
It's so easy. Sign up by July 25th or miss out.
Okay, so we open up to another app. Notice that our theme didn't apply either, right? So must be another app that I guess each app will get its theme and work that way. This is a text editor. Create, edit, and manage your long form content using AI. Okay. So you can start your own documents. Looks like Notion in a way. Wow. Okay. And you have an AI writer. Start a 1800s novel, A Love of Despair. Oh my God. Are you serious? It's making a novel. Okay, well, we're done, folks. Use 0 credits. Thank you. I did not want to. Okay, so that is wild. Long form content using AI. So technically, you don't need any other app. This app may just kill Microsoft Office for everybody. Heads up, this tool requires training your custom image model, which is one-time cost 1.5 million credits. Once trained, you can use to create photos on your AI photo studio. Oh, okay. So there is an AI photo studio down here, and we have this stuff. So let's go ahead and play. Let's see what happens. AI headshot generator. I'm going to give it my actual headshot. Okay, so I gave it my headshot. It's a headshot generator. It says that it needs 5 files required. That's quite interesting. Oh, wow. All right, so I gave it 4 pictures of me in a suit and 1 of me acting crazy like I was doing that other video with the cloak stuff. So I have 5 pictures here, and this is supposed to be a LinkedIn generator. A few items here. You have to read and understand the guidelines. Containing violence, this and that, of course. Guidelines, okay. Generate the jet. Process takes 1 to 2 hours. It will take 1.5 million credits from that account. All right. We'll show you that at the end of the video then. GPTs based on the figures that we have here, the people that we have here. Are you kidding me? So like a Steve Jobs, like Einstein, Tony Stark. Okay, what do you think makes a product truly revolutionary? And so, simplicity. That's right. That completely hits what Steve Jobs will say. Okay, awesome there. Custom GPTs have personalities that you can run. Chat with PDF. Okay, here's something that's gonna kill Adobe's AI assistant. Like, all right, so this is a PDF where I made a meme before. So I'll load it up here, and then we can start training. Okay, so it's able to analyze the document in the metadata. Cool. Another great tool. Again, the theme doesn't apply, so this is a separate app. I love the information underneath the app. It makes it really interesting. And then we have different models here. So When Decoder, Llamas, there's another model, and Deep6 v3 for an app builder. Build me an app that can automatically add Okay, so the idea is that this will work this way. It will add the alt tags on that and do it. It's not as scripted as it should be, but then again, that's how you had to train the app. So there's promise here, folks. Music generator. Here we go. Okay. Wow. So this is amazing. So the model U, this model, will actually do song lyrics, verse and chorus. And then model Lyria 2 will describe the music you want to generate, style, mood, instruments, tempo. And then model Z will actually grab a reference music and then add the lyrics. And model Cassette does the description, and you can actually set duration for it. And see, now that we're using it, this is way less, just 10% of that original creation of the voice. And wow, that is fast. So he created the app, he already created the voice. That is wild. Narrow AI, NI, Artificial Narrow Intelligence, Weak AI. This is the AI we encounter most frequently today. It's designed and trained for a specific task. Wow. That is pretty accurate, my friends. That's yeah, it's convincing me. Okay, voice cloner works. Content detector. Does it work or does it not? What does the content detector do? Detect AI generated content in text and documents. Ooh. Is it? Here we go. Analysis of results. 1 of 24 sentences likely AI generated. Well, this is great. This could be like your best friend when it comes to politics. Because, let's say if you did believe this or not, then you'll get to get the information as to what was good or not. So partial damage to some nuclear facilities, but left key underground sites largely intact. All right. Cool stuff. And you can accept the fix. So, that's awesome. That is fantastic. Because now you can grab any type of social media post, pop it in here and do that. Well, fact checker, fun. the studio. So here we go with the studio. We can actually train the model. You can pick yourself as a model. Here's my headshot. There you are. You know, different models, right? So I can smile there. Include the trigger word, headshot, in your... Okay, well, if you want to include, why not just put it in here, I'll say. So what am I... I know what I'm going to do in this one. This is fun. Speaking to a TikTok crowd, I'll never be invited to it. Oh, look, you got preset prompts here too. Nice. And you select the style and all that stuff. What up? We have our jet. We have our model here. Oh. Well, well, well. What do we know? This is wild. Ooh, I like it. That's so cool. Are you kidding me? He just created all these images. This is, oh my God. Are you serious? Come on, man. This is fantastic. This is so fantastic. All right, so I have pathway leads to a cinema tower at the edge of a cliff, dark tones, horror style. All right, so here we go. Greedy, this and that, variations to generate, and we're hitting 0.10, a tenth of the million credits. So, oh, here we go. Beauty. Yeah, the UI needs to be a little better, I think. Okay, nice. Pathway leads to cinema tower, the edge of a cliff, dark tones, horror style, gritty feel. Great. All right. Like it. Oh my God. Generation, the illustration stuff is going to be just excellent, especially for anybody that's doing design, doing e-learning. All right. So we got text-to-speech, my friends. Text-to-speech 1, text-to-speech 2.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
Nature is a mutable cloud, which is...
Okay, cool. I think the UI is missing here. They should have the voices like Flicky does, so you can quickly listen to the samples.
A pathway leads to a sinister tower at the edge of a cliff. Dark tones, horror-style gritty feel.
Close changer. Okay, this one I'm interested in. This is quite interesting because, let's say, you know, it would be cool that they let you use your model, I guess. But, all right, so we got the right images now because before I did it all wrong. And so let's fix it now. All right, so we got the bottom here. And now you can see, hey, cool. That's what I'm going to look like. All right. All right, well, that can work. That can be a thing. I can see marketing people doing that. I can see many people doing that. So we got this picture of a bedroom, and then we're going to do the bedroom, and this time we're going to do it summer, tropical, industrial, and futuristic. There we go. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, generated 4 styles of the original image. Here is our tropical style. Well, that looks not so tropical. It looks more industrial than anything else. This will look more tropical, but this is what? Industrial style? I think the labels are wrong, my friend.
Imagine this. You are going out with your family, park in a garage, and go to the pay station to pay for your spot. There's a convenient QR code on the station, so you pull up your phone, scan it, and enter your details. What if that QR code was put there by a hacker?